The sounds of birds singing, kids laughing, early morning sun, people passing. Listen to the sounds of the world. Rain falling, wind blowing, leaves rustling and birds flowing. Listen to the sounds of the world. Hear the sounds around you. Big lions and big tigers, they're so loud when they roar, so loud when they dogs barking and cats meowing. The earth mouth is loud, and that's for sure. The sounds of birds singing, kids laughing. Good morning.